Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your TD Bank credit card. To cancel your TD Bank credit card is a straightforward process, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, open a preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in td.com and search. This will now take you to the official website for TD Bank. Click on the customer care option at the top from the official website. Now scroll all the way down and click the Contact Us button. Select the topic from the drop-down and make sure to choose credit cards, which will then give you access to all the phone numbers that matches the credit card service hotline. Go ahead and make a phone call on the number of your choice and be prepared to answer a security question to verify your identity. Also make sure that you've settled your entire credit card balance before requesting the closure. Clearly state your request to close your credit card account to the CSR, and then they will guide you through the cancellation process and confirm the details. That is the quickest and the easiest way to cancel your TD Bank's credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.